I survived the challenge of juggling a busy life and still found time to focus on my fitness. I spent countless hours trying to find a quick, effective workout that could help me burn belly fat. I saved myself from frustration by committing to a 15-minute walking challenge that transformed my body and boosted my energy levels. I built a daily routine that combined brisk walking with targeted belly fat burning exercises. Each day, I started with 10 minutes of brisk walking, followed by 5 minutes of core-focused moves like high knees and standing side crunches. The biggest challenge was staying motivated and consistent, but I got through it by tracking my progress and celebrating each milestone. The results were incredible. I got rid of stubborn belly fat, felt more energetic, and saw a noticeable improvement in my overall health. Mentally, I felt empowered and proud of my progress. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness even further? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Start your own 15-minute walking challenge today and experience the transformation for yourself. Stay consistent, track your progress, and watch as your body and energy levels change for the better.